Today we're going to discuss how to adjust the tension between the beads of the Tasbih brand Tasbihs. The first step is we want to pull up on any counter beads that are at the very top of the tassel. The next step is to pull down the ALIF as hard as we can towards the Tasbih. This will allow us to access the knot and loosen the knot that is above the ALIF. Once the knot is loosened, we can then slide the ALIF back up, and that has adjusted the tension and made it looser for us. To reverse the process and make the beads tighter, simply slide the ALIF down, loosen the knot, slide the knot down, and then pull the ALIF back up to lock it back into place. It's that easy.